Hey guys, what's happening? Today I'm going to show you how to save money on hotels with Expedia on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your app store, go to your browser or to your app store or Google Play, right? You can download the app, of course, by clicking open app at the top right. Make sure to download the app for exclusive discounts. And of course, you can sign up by clicking the three bars at the top right and then sign up so you can earn points for extra savings, right? And of course, select your hotel and flights for cheap, for better deals, for better discounts, right? So let's say, for example, I'm going to New York, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and select the flight and leave it from right Saudi Arabia, let's say, right? So I'm gonna type in right here Saudi Arabia, right? Riyadh, and then I'm gonna select one way, for example, right? And I'm going to New York in February 14th, right? So I'm gonna wait for a few moments and select my flight, right? And as long as you select the flight and book a hotel from your Expedia, you're gonna be able to get a massive discount, right? So I'm gonna go back and I showed you the flights. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the stays, which is the hotels basically, and I'm gonna hit search, right? And select your date and everything. And you can filter right here to select the prices from low to high, right? So you can get a better deal, okay? And you can use the price alerts, right? Set alerts if you downloaded the app to track price drops, okay? And make sure to book early, right? Early bookings get better rates, but last minute deals can be cheaper, okay? And flexible bookings help you switch to better deals later, okay? This helps you get the best price on hotels and stay within budget. So let us know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.